Hello, I'm Aaron Stearns, director and founder of Basic Finance and owner of a website called Basic Finance. I'm very lucky to be introduced to 3wera.com last year, 11 months ago. Since then we did notice great traffic increase to our website, online presence. This particular company are great professionals, always deliver everything in time, and as I said, I'm very lucky to find them. Since incorporating their services, our business increased tenfold, so I can't really wish more, and strongly recommend their services to different businesses who require their help. Very happy. Thank you.